Before you scroll, let me ask you something. If someone offered you $20 for 15 minutes of simple online work, would you ignore it? Right now, some US companies are paying regular people to test their websites and apps. No selling, no investing, no coding, just your honest opinion. Every day, companies in the United States launch new websites and mobile apps, but before they go live, they need real users to test them. Developers already understand how everything works, but normal users might get confused. Companies want to know, is the home page clear? Can people find the pricing page easily? Is checkout smooth? Does the website load too slowly? That's where you come in. Your job is simple. You log into a testing platform, you accept a test, your screen starts recording, then you use the website like a normal visitor while speaking your thoughts out loud. For example, I'm trying to find the contact page. This button is easy to notice. I'm not sure what this section means. You don't need to sound professional. You just need to explain clearly what you're thinking. Now let's talk about money. Most website tests pay between $10 and $20. Each test usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. If you complete 3 $20 tests, that's $60 in about 1 hour of focused work. There are also live interviews where companies speak with you directly while you test their product. Those can pay $30, $40, even $60 for 30 to 60 minutes, but let's stay realistic. You will not get tests every single day. Some days you might get one, some days you might get none. This is side income, not a guaranteed salary. To start, sign up on legitimate platforms like UserTesting, Trymata, or Userlytics. Registration is free. Create your profile carefully. Fill in your age, country, job type, and devices you use. Companies look for specific types of testers. After signing up, you complete a short sample test. You record your screen and speak your thoughts. They check if your microphone is clear and if you explain things properly. If approved, you will start seeing available tests in your dashboard. Each test shows how much it pays, how long it takes, and what device is required. Tests are first come, first served. If you wait too long, someone else will accept it. After completing tests, you receive ratings. The better your feedback, the higher your rating. Higher ratings increase your chances of getting more tests. Don't give one-word answers. Always explain why you like or dislike something. Most platforms pay through PayPal after you complete a test successfully. Payment usually arrives within 7 days. Sometimes it can take up to 14 days. Payments are sent in US dollars. Let's be honest, website testing will not make you rich overnight. It will not replace a full-time job immediately, but it can help you earn extra money for groceries, gas, or monthly bills. You don't need investment. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need special qualifications. You just need a laptop or computer, stable internet, a working microphone, and the ability to clearly explain what you're thinking. If you stay consistent and respond quickly to test invites, this can become a steady extra income stream over time. It's simple, it's realistic, and if done properly, it works. Subscribe for more realistic ways to earn online without hype or false promises.